Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this dropshipping platform, which is Jubilee. So to get started, Jubilee is a dropshipping app focused on private label beauty products like skincare, makeup and head care. It allows users to customize products with their own branding and easily sync them into Shopify store. The setup is simple and straightforward, especially for US, Canada order. It ideal for entrepreneur looking to start a beauty brand without holding inventory. It offers a 14 days free trial to test things out. However, some users have reported issues with billing difficulty, canceling subscription, and slow customer support. There have also been a complaint about glitches in the product editors and problem uploading logos. While many appreciate the concept and product quality, the app may need improvement in customer service and technical stability. Overall, Jubilee is worth it. So if you are starting a beauty brand and want a quick branding option, but be sure to monitor charges and test the app before scaling. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.